Welcome back. This back room used to be a porch. We are going to rebuild it back better to eventually make it a great pantry and laundry room.
So we need to build a temporary wall here to support the roof so that we can tear this wall out and reframe this wall new, which will then re-support the roof, holding it in place. But before we can reframe this wall, we've got to take at least 2 feet of this subfloor out and resheet this floor so the new wall sits on top of it. And then after that, we can tear the rest of this floor out and resheet these floors and tear these 2 walls out, and then build this wall here so that these side walls tie into it, and it all sits on brand new subfloor at the same level.
Let the demoing begin. When we took the sheeting off the outside of the old wall, it allowed the back side of the soffits to fall, exposing the fact that something had been living in there. Once we got the rest of the wall down, we started working on the floor. The subfloor, the rim joists, and the sill plate were all rotten. Under the OSB, there was tongue and groove hardwood floor that was rotten. And then, under that, the subfloor as well, which we removed and found the tops of the joists were also rotten. After installing a new sill plate and rim joists, we sistered the floor joists back as far as we could see to a joist going in opposite direction, not allowing us to see further into the cavity. If we only knew what lay beyond, we would have done this whole back room differently. We got the new OSB down and the new wall all framed up on it. After getting the wall sheeted, we got the hole for the window cut out. Then we put hurricane straps on the roof joists where they met the new wall. Since the roof is supported by the new wall, we took out the temporary wall, and it is time to get these side walls out of here. Our boys enjoyed helping us destroy the walls. I'd say they were pretty good at it.
Honey, I'm home.
The plan was to resheet the floor and rebuild the sidewalls due to the way they were constructed. Little did we know what we would uncover beneath this floor. Make sure to check out our next video to see what we found. Thanks for DIYing with the Sextons. Subscribe and like for more.